This is a 3-in-1 portable wall charger power bank, designed to simplify your charging setup. It combines a power bank, wall charger, and built-in cables into one compact device. The LED display shows the exact battery percentage, so you always know how much power you have left. It packs a true 10,000 mAh high-density battery, so you get reliable power when you need it. With the built-in AC plug, you can recharge it directly from the wall, no extra charger needed. You can charge 3 devices at the same time, making it perfect for daily use or travel. It even includes an original-level Apple recognition chip, ensuring stable fast charging without pop-ups. With AI temperature control and multiple safety protections, it automatically cuts off power if things get too hot. Despite all these features, it's still compact and easy to carry anywhere.